is Trika of CUTENESS. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This is where the planning and the cuteness collide. Here at the Cuteness Squad, we are here for all the cuteness. We are here for the planning, the creating, lifestyle, inspiration, and encouragement. If you are interested in joining the Cuteness Squad, simply tap that red subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload another video. Also, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and tell me hello. And if you are ready rocking with the hashtag Cuteness Squad, hey cuties, how you guys doing? I hope everyone is having an amazing day, and I welcome you all. I am here still in my Frankenplanner. I showed it to you guys earlier, but what I'm going to be doing is working in this Stay Wild box kit. This is my self-care, wellness, and personal development planner. And so as you see, it's 2018. So what we're going to do today is go ahead, I'm gonna redo the dates. And hey, it can be like a planner restoration. So if you're interested in seeing what I come up with this old planner, we are going to make this thing poppin'. It's gonna be new again. So let's get to planning. Done with the monthly, and I'm just gonna add this doll from Gold Mine and Coco, the anniversary edition. I'm just gonna pop her in somewhere because this spread is super cute. I think I'm gonna add her right here, and I still have room to write a little something, so check that out. And then I'm gonna do the weekly spread. Isn't that beautiful? And see, you can't even tell that this was a 2018 planner. So this is how you do your planner restoration, and I think it's hey, I'm loving it. I hope you guys enjoy it. And remember, if you are new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you take out some time, browse around, and if you find anything interesting, encouraging, cute, hey, think about tapping that subscription button, that subscribe button, the red button, and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. Give your girl a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and if you're new, let me know that you're new so I can welcome you personally and, you know, give you a hello personally. And also send some friends over so I can welcome them as well. And if you are already a part of the hashtag Cuteness Squad, simply tell your girl, hey, you already know what to do. Hashtag Cuteness Squad. I'll see you in my next video. You see it. Hashtag Cuteness Squad. Yes. Toodles.